Welcome, dear friends. Show you how today to buy Lovely Inu coin. It's a trending crypto coin as of now. Lots of positive news has been coming. The company has already predicted that this coin may reach $1 in this year end. So we don't know how fast it can reach $1, but still, as all of are buying this Lovely Inu, so we are also showing how to buy this through PancakeSwap. Okay, first we have to click on Trust Wallet. So after that we have to click on DApps. Once we click on DApps, there we have to paste the link which will be given to you in the description box. Okay, so that link will be pasted there, and we have to make sure that this logo has to be smart chain only always. If any other logo, we have to change it into smart chain. Okay. Once it has been done, we have to scroll it down. We have to scroll it down. At last we will be seeing the contract address of this Lovely Finance coin. Okay, we have to copy that contract address. So then once again we have to come back to wallet. Okay, so then we have to click once again on the DApps. So we have to paste that contract address. No, before pasting that, we have to come again to PancakeSwap. So once we open the PancakeSwap, okay, the screen will be opened like this. We have to click on that select a currency. There we have to paste that contract address which has been copied from the Lovely Inu website. So once it has been pasted, so our lovely coin will be added in that place. So after that, suppose I want to purchase 50 lakh Lovely Inu coin, I can X there type. Okay, so now, okay, I've entered 50 lakh Lovely Inu unit, Lovely Inu crypto coins unit. Now there will be an option of swap. We have to swap it. So we have to confirm it once again, and one screen will be opened like smart contract call, which will be linked to the Trust Wallet. So there we will be knowing that the total amount for buying this Lovely Inu coin 50 lakhs unit. So it will charge you about 160 rupees 0.77 paise. So we have to make sure that the amount is there in your BNB Smart Chain wallet. So after that we will be giving approve there. So once it has been approved, transaction will be submitted, and then it has been confirmed. Now, okay, transaction receipt also came. So 50 lakh Lovely coins has been purchased. Now we have to close here, and we can see that in our, so Lovely 50 lakh coin will be able to see there. Okay, so then if we want the Lovely we can come again, and we can enter the link which will be given to you in the description box again. So once we enter that, so again this Lovely Finance website will be opened. As usual, you have to change that Ethereum logo to Smart Chain logo. Now once it has been opened, you can give connect there. So all the details about the Lovely, like roadmap and white paper, so when it may get launch, listing, every details has been given here, so you can go through it. Okay, this is how the procedure to purchase it on Lovely Coins on PancakeSwap. Thanks a lot for watching our video, dear friends. Please subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to click on bell button. Thanks a lot.